Yeah, we just got here. My car says it's 30 degrees, so I would be ecstatic if I actually caught a fish today. But that's what we're gonna try to do. Let's get after it. Alright, so I made it. I'm gonna start with this. This is a Googan finesse jig, and I put a little Senko on the back of it. So when it's on the bottom, it should move like this. No moving appendages or anything, so that's mostly the most finesse you could get in these times. And it's snowing pretty good. My hands are cold, my feet are already cold, and I just got here. Good times. We're just gonna go real slow. Real slow. October 30th. Feels like winter. Just got snacked on. I think it was a small fish though. See if it comes back. I always pull line out after I cast, so it makes the bait fall straight down. Instead of clicking it over, it'll make it like pendulum because the line will be tight. He bit pretty close too. I'm gonna see if there's any like right over here, like just work it real slow on by. Cause this time of year they want like an easy snack. They don't want to chase something. They do in the fall when they're feeding up, but when it gets cold on a snowy, cloudy day like this, they don't want to chase anything. They just want to see it and snack it. So pretty much when I feel something, I don't know if it's a rock or a bite, so I'll pull my line tight and just watch my line on the water. And if my line moves anywhere or I feel any more twitches, then I'll set the hook. Had to pull out the jacket today. Whew. First time since last freaking March. hoping it would die down, but it's not looking like it at all. Now this place is way less weedy. I'm just dragging the bottom, and every time I feel a rock I just hump it over. Got one. Wow. He wanted the jiggy. Sweet. Small, but I'll take it in this. Sweet. Thanks for biting, dude. I'm gonna name you Timmy. You get a name today. Thank you. Sick. So he bit that jig, and I'm just freaking barely moving it. It's just working the bottom. That wraps it up. This one got it done today. Wait. Well, I was out like freaking half an hour. I'm freezing. That's all I got in me. But I got on one fish, and that's alright. A little small guy. I think his name was Jimmy. Thank you, Jimmy. We'll be back. Go to be an 8-pounder. I'll see you later. Honestly, probably going to Bass Pro today to pick up some gloves, because I know cold weather's coming. Trying to go out tomorrow and make another video. Hopefully I can catch a fish. So yeah, thanks for watching.